Estate planning, zero inheritance. I'm going to share a story from our client files. As I'm talking to clients about tax strategies, we often get on the topic of trust as well as wills. And I share roughly a few stories, which one of them I'm going to share with you today. Had a client father. He wound up marrying another woman. The other woman had 3 sons of her own. The father had his daughter, along with a grandchild. In the estate planning side of it, they all agreed that since she moved into her husband's house, the father's house, that the daughter would inherit the house. Hi, I'm Stephen D. Cooper, also known as Coach Coop with Cooper's Accounting Service, because your financial freedom matters. If you like more great tax tips, download our popular financial guide at our website, yourfinancialfreedomsmatters.com, or click on the link below. Once again, zero inheritance. The daughter's father died before he had a chance to change his trust. After the funeral, things settled down. The daughter went politely to her stepmother, which she loved, but she was just as equal as her mom. She said, Father wanted me to have the house. She said, you're right. When I get a chance, I'm going to go and change this trust so that you will be the sole owner of the house, because I know that my husband, your father, wanted you to have the house. Daughter said, okay. Well, she would bring this up roughly on the anniversary of her father's death. Mom said, I get to it. Sadly, Mom never got a chance to get to it. She died. So when she died, Mom's closest living relatives were her 3 sons, because she never adopted the daughter. And because she never adopted the daughter, legally, a marriage ended. It's like a contract. Divorce or death, it ends the contract. So the 3 brothers inherited the house. They netted over $800,000 and did not give their sister anything. For more easy financial tips, sign up for our financial tip newsletter by going to yourfinancialfreedommatters.com or click on the link below this video. You can also download our financial guide as well. If you'd like a free 20-minute smart money consultation, call us at 562-436-2600. Well, again, I'm Stephen D. Cooper, also known as Coach Coop with Cooper's Accounting Service. Don't miss our next video, where we will cover how not to upset an IRS revenue officer.